Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the myfxsoftware.com weekly results. Today is Monday, February 23rd. What we're going to dive into is the concept that most traders waste hours daily. And here in this video, I'm going to show you what I use instead and potentially some shocking profits. I just posted results in the publicly available Telegram channel. Just go to myfxsoftware.com. You get access to the channel, free subscription, and you get to see the daily results of all of the different cloud-based softwares, Forex trading, premier strategies that you can plug into directly into the cloud. No setup, no software download, no installation, no tech. You simply attach your account to these cloud-based softwares. Here I'm going to take an actual live look at what is open right now. And just about a dozen or so trades are open right now at about a $50 drawdown. Now that's assuming that you're bidding what I'm bidding here. I'm using my software just like you'd be able to, and I'm attaching my account to that software and bidding what I want. Exact same thing you can do. So here I'm bidding a base bid of 0.1 or $1 per pip. And let's go to the history results. Overnight here for the day, $420.05 closed so far. And you can look through, we did dozens and dozens. Geez, that's probably 3 or 4 dozen trades that came through. We were holding on to that AUD NZD trade, ended up being very nicely profitable. And of course, an overall net profit of $420.05. So these are actual real trades. These are trades that I took into my account from the myfxsoftware.com software systems that you get access to. You just fill out the form, type in your account number, and you are trading any one of 4 different premier softwares. We're looking at right now what I call my 10 pip day trader. We go for 10 pips on average, and we trade all 28 currency pairs. Let's move on and look at this exact same software trading at a higher bid and trading fewer pairs, essentially 1 pair at a time. Here it is. This is called the One Profitable Pair software. It's literally the exact same trades coming from my 10 pip day trader, but it just trades 1 pair to profit at a time. You can see right now, normally I don't show the trades that we're actually in because that's, obviously part of being in the membership and getting access to the software. But I'll just show you right now, we're in a Euro GBP buy trade. It's in profit. And if I look at the history results, here they are closing $865.19 overnight. And you can see I'm bidding more, and I'm bidding more than we were looking at before. I'm bidding $10 per pip instead of $1 per pip. And it just shows that you can scale this up or down to fit your account. Really absolutely amazing results. Now, the next set of trades you can see here, we are not in any index and metal trades right now, but the results overnight are pretty amazing. Here we are, overnight results, $499.83. And a lot of these, I added some gold trades. We'll go look at these separately. I added some additional gold trades into the system, basically an additional volume. And you can see them here on the screen where it is a 0.1 lot size. I'm actually going to ramp that up. I just wanted to test this last night, and I'll show you those 0.1 lot size trades separately from what we're doing here. But look at this. Overnight, trading gold, trading the index and metal software, not 1 loss at all last night. This is an absolutely amazing software. And look at the diversification. We're trading SPX 500, US 30, gold, NAS 100, not 1 loss overnight. So if you bid more or you bid less, you're still getting a profitable trade. And it's completely on you. You're controlling the system. You attach your account, you choose which cloud-based software you want, and you're up and trading and getting these exact trades that I'm showing. So now we're really moving on to the next software that we use. Is called Gold Scalper. It's obviously dedicated to gold. And here are some additional trades that I added. This is the volume that I added last night. So we'll look at 2 different accounts, but look at this here. We traded 10 trades last night, $243 in profit, bidding a base lot size of 0.1 or $1 per pip. And obviously tomorrow and moving forward, I'm going to scale these up even higher because it's such a really solid win rate. But imagine these trades on your account, not 1 loss last night. Not 1 loss last night. And it really just depends on what you bid, more or less than what I'm showing you on my screen. And again, what you're seeing here, these are my accounts. I'm attaching to the software just like you could, and I'm bidding what I want to bid based off of my personal risk appetite, what my broker allows me as far as leverage, and just what I want to do with my account, and you have the exact same ability. Now, this should be pretty impressive. This is the actual full-scale gold scalper account bidding at a 1.0 base lot size. It made $5,174 last night. Just an absolute tear of the market. Nothing but net profit. We took dozens and dozens of trades. And again, the trades you saw in the account just before this will be added to the gold scalper. I've already done that. So tomorrow, the results should be massively impressive. I mean, as if over $5,000 overnight wasn't impressive enough. I think we're going to see some incredible results from this gold scalper system. So overall, on my accounts, trading the 4 different software systems, I'm somewhere, I calculated $6,701 this morning when I woke up, but I know there's been trades since then. I'd say we're somewhere at about the 7,000 profit on my end. Again, that's no guarantee that you're going to get that, but you can have the exact same trades. And how will your account handle that? How will you bid? Will you scale it up? Will you scale it back? Will you be conservative? Will you be aggressive? And you have a complete ability to do that with the myfxsoftware.com system, plugging into any one of these software systems. And here's one of the final trades we took overnight from my double hedge software trading system. Not a lot of volume. There's quite a few trades being held right now. But I would imagine that volume will really increase on this as we move forward. This software is in beta testing, but it's just such a good AI managed software that it just trades and takes profit on a continual 24-hour a day basis. So really, really powerful stuff. And it's something you have access to at the VIP level of the myfxsoftware.com system. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave those comments below the YouTube channel, below the YouTube video here. And I will start replying to those comments and questions on my weekly video results show that I'm doing at a minimum Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And trading this software is the easiest thing you could ever do in the Forex trading world. That's it. Appreciate you watching the video. I'll see you in the next episode.